Alright, so it's 2025, the world is evolving, and so does the technology. So I've got these devices that can jailbreak your PS4 in just 10 seconds. I made a video about this, but I want to show you how you can jailbreak your PS4 within 10 seconds in 2025. So let's get into it. So first of all, we need to plug this into the front port of the PlayStation 4. So this will work on every PS4, by the way. I'm using the PS4 Pro, and it's kind of dirty. I know I haven't been using it for like a year or something. And the other one is gonna go on the back side of the Ethernet on your PlayStation. And like I said, it will work on every PlayStation. PS4 Slim, PS4 Pro, PS4 old model, the fat one, doesn't really matter. And we have to put a USB on this as well, the Type-C on this side, on the one that looks like a Ethernet. So we have to plug it in on the back, I'm pretty sure. And also we need to power the Ethernet one with a USB, and on PS4 Pro there is a USB on the back, so I'll just use that one. Or you can use the front one as well, doesn't really matter, it just needs some power. So Ethernet one needs power, and the front USB is going to be completely wireless, doesn't really matter. And once you have plugged that in, and I still doubt that this is gonna work, like 10 seconds for modding, that is insane. And also, before we get into the rest of the video, I've got an amazing deal for you guys right now. If you head over to AliExpress and use my link and enter the special code, you can get an exclusive discount on some of the best gaming gear that are on the market. And one of my favorite picks in this is the Astro A50 wireless gaming headset with the base station, and it's got top tier sound quality, a built-in USB sound card, and ultra low latency for the best gaming experience. And I made a video about this headset as well. Whether you're playing FPS or streaming, this headphone delivers everything that you need for our headphones. And don't miss out, click in the link in the description and get yours with the discount. And these discount codes also work on every other tech gadgets on AliExpress, so check out the link, it's gonna be in the description. And now once you have connected that, all we have to do now is we wanna have to go to the network settings, and I think it's gonna be pretty simple from there. And again, I doubt it's gonna work, but I've seen videos, it works, so ours is gonna work as well. So we're gonna have to go to setup, custom, and triple PoE, just put anything random, just anything, and DNS automatic, empty automatic, proxy server automatic. And now we just want to have to click on test connection, and according to the instructions it should just accept the IP address, but internet connection is going to be failed. And from here we have to wait for a few seconds. And when I tried it for the first time before recording the video, my PS4 was completely frozen. It was not doing anything, and it just shuts off. And it happened like multiple times. And then I used a different USB port, and yeah, so let's see, it says cannot connect to the internet. Obviously we don't have internet connection, and make sure your PlayStation is not connected to the Wi-Fi thingy. I mean, even if it is, it's I think gonna disable that since we're using the LAN one. I think it's more than 10 seconds by now. It's been like 30 seconds, 40 seconds, I'm not quite sure, but let's see. Again, it says cannot connect to the network. Okay, so it says luck foxed. I don't know what that is. Okay, so payload finally successful, transfer, whatever that says, gold hand. Okay, so we know what gold HGN is. That is the mod for the PlayStation and for PS3 as well. Okay, so I think the PS4 is modded. That was pretty easy actually. It didn't take 10 seconds, but yeah, the PS4 is modded now. And I can't play the game because it's locked. Anyway, so let me just go to the gold hand settings and see if it is actually modded. Yep, so this device actually works.